in Spanish, you'll often have a G consonant before the W consonant. So you might be saying Gwen instead of when. You might be saying guay instead of why. How do we get that sneaky little G sound in there? Well, a G is formed by touching the roof of your mouth with the back of your tongue. G, 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 g. So you want to make sure that the back of your tongue does not get too close to the palate, and you want to make sure that the back of your tongue does not touch the upper palate. G, 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 g. Keep it a little bit farther away. W, 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 w. Okay? We're not going to touch the palate and we're not going to get too close to it. We don't want any friction with the palate. The tongue should be hanging in the middle of the mouth, not actually having contact with anything. So again, this is something you can check in the mirror as well, but also listen. Do you hear a little G, 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 before your W? Make sure that you don't hear it. It should be Y, why, when, when, where, where, not where. Don't touch the palate.